Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gugulethu Sithole. Guys, today we're making a orange cake. It's beautiful, it's amazing. Yeah. Starts with my dry ingredients as always. And then in here I have my 3 teaspoons of baking powder and a quarter of a teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm just gonna put it in my 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And then add my teaspoon of salt, just mix for a second with my fork. Moving on to my wet ingredients. In my mixing bowl I have 3 eggs, and then I'm just gonna give it a whisk. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of brown sugar, and then my vanilla essence and my orange essence. Guys, I only put 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and 1 teaspoon of orange essence. But remember guys, we're baking orange cake, so this is 2 like I grated 2 full oranges to get the zest. It's very important. It has a lot of flavor. Like the skin of the orange, guys, is packed with a lot of orange flavor, like a lot of acid that's gonna help your cake to be like very moist, very soft. And make sure you whisk nicely. Give it a whisk. Now adding my orange juice. Guys, this is freshly squeezed orange juice. For this recipe, you don't go to the shop and buy orange juice. No, you need freshly squeezed one, guys. Okay, and for this recipe, you don't really need to add milk. But since I don't have enough orange juice, that's why I'm going to add a cup of milk. So I added a cup of orange juice and a cup of, like, it's about 3/4 cup of milk. And I'm now adding my melted butter. This is 200 grams of melted butter. It's not like too runny, but it's melted enough. Another thing, you can use oil for this recipe if you like, but I just prefer the flavor of butter. Butter has the best flavor, so I prefer butter. But you can use oil. You will get the same result. Not the same, but almost the same. It's just that butter gives the best flavor, guys. Okay, I'm now sifting in my dry ingredients. I'm just using my spatula to mix. And guys, you don't want to overmix this. You don't want to overmix, because you're gonna end up like not so soft cake. You don't want that. Our butter is ready, guys, and this is my 2 baking tins. Guys, my tins are very small, are very tiny, so yeah, that's why I always use like 2 tins, because they're very small. It's a small sized tin. So I'm just going to transfer my butter to my tins. and then start baking, you guys. I don't have a scale, you guys, so I'm just gonna eye. I'm just eyeing it, you guys. I don't have a scale. I'm just going to bake this for 35 to 40 minutes, you guys. My oven is preheated to 160 degrees, and I'm going to bake this for 35 to 40 minutes, you guys. My cake is out of the oven. It's looking beautiful. And guys, it has been like resting for 10 minutes, you guys. It's looking so beautiful and it smells so nice. So I'm now going to let it cool some more for about 30 minutes or so, guys. Just about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna move on to the next step. Okay guys, this is after 30 minutes. My cake has been cooling for 30 minutes, you guys. So now we're just gonna prepare our glaze, you guys. The cake is perfect the way it is. If you do not have this, like the orange zest, the orange juice and icing sugar, you don't need to worry. The cake is very, very nice. But since we're extra, you guys, we're just gonna prepare the glaze. Oh, you guys. In a cup of icing sugar, I'm going to squeeze in 4 tablespoons of orange, you guys, and then put 1 tablespoon of orange zest, and then mix. Guys, you don't want to put too much juice. You don't want to put too much liquid because it's just going to be too runny, and you don't want that. So I first put 2 spoons of orange juice, and then mix well. If I need more, and then I'm gonna keep adding more, you guys. You don't want to just add a lot of liquid, you guys, because you're just gonna mess up everything. See, I'm just adding it in drops right now because I want a very not too thick consistency, but I don't want it to be too runny. Okay, you see guys, it's not too runny. This is just the way I like it. So guys, I'm just gonna drizzle it on top of my cake nicely because guys, we want the best. Like, we want the best. Look at that, you guys. Guys, you can put as much as you want. This glaze, you guys, is the best. Like, it's very, very, very nice. It is sweet, but remember guys, we did squeeze in a lemon, like an orange juice, and we did add some zest in it. So guys, it's very tasty. It's nice. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. This is the second one. This is the second cake. It's amazing. It's like amazing. It's just amazing. It's very soft, you guys. Like, yeah. Thank you guys so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, like. Thank you guys. Bye.